Hey everyone, welcome to WAP Media. If you are new to this channel, make sure you like and subscribe. Please guys, subscribe. I want to get up to 1000 subscribers so I can monetize my video. And I'm going to be dropping video like this every single day. So without wasting much of your time, let's just dive into what we have today. So Adamu Garba tweeted this after the president's post was taken down by Twitter. He tweeted, Twitter has no right to infuse in our local political affairs. It's a company, not a government. By removing our democratically elected president's speech to the people of Nigeria, Twitter needs a shutdown from Nigeria internet space. Um, but this thing he said, he just tweeted it from Twitter. That is number one point. So if Twitter gives space in Nigerian internet or whatever, then how is he going to pass his messages? You understand? How is he going to pass his messages? So I think Garba should, do his researches very well before tweeting, because I don't think it's possible. They can't do that. They can't do that because they banned Bitcoin, but people are still trading on Bitcoin this time around. So guys, there's this video of Tasha going around.
What? Helped whose life? What? Oh my gosh! Like, oh, now they crack me up for this app, though. Like, legit. Listen, right? Big Brother gave me a platform. Tacha gave Big Brother a freaking show. What was Pepper them season without Tacha? Like, get your facts right. And listen, it is not compulsory to put a comment on every post. Some posts just jump a pass. If you do not have anything to say, nobody will beat you, okay? Okay? Stop exhibiting your foolishness on TikTok.
The big BB Niger didn't help her that much, but she accepted in some parts, but in other parts she didn't accept. She said that Big Brother didn't help her that much. So I don't know about. Well, let me read this comment. Someone said, his name is NCs of Life. When you have a fan base that absolve you of all your wrongs and never point out where you erred, it's easy to think yourself perfect. BB Niger was and still has been the biggest thing to happen to you. It's been the catalyst for most of your major success. Don't be ungrateful. Be humble, Tasha. Be humble. So, yeah, she should be humble no matter what. Whether BB Niger helped her or BB Niger didn't help, because many people knew her from BB Niger. Many people knew her because she went to Big Brother. So she can't be coming out and saying that BB Niger didn't help her that much. So I don't know about you. Just leave your comment on the comment section and tell me what you think about it. Because in this life, what we know, one thing about us is whenever we crosses a bridge, we like that bridge to break. And even if the bridge doesn't break, we like to say, no, I didn't come from that place. I took the other. We should start saying the truth. We should start being our real self. You understand? We should start being our real self. So guys, this is a picture of Don Jazzy. You can see him. It's posted by Pulse Nigeria. Easy Thursday. Focus on this music business. Beats are sounding nice. Distractions here and there, but I remain focused. Back in Niger to push my music soon. I sabi die. You see, just look at his picture. So you don't kill yourself. He started from somewhere, you know. You can see his background. You can just see everything there. You have to start from somewhere, okay? We should start from somewhere. Then you hustle up. That is how it is. Yeah. So recently, there's this uh tweet going on by Apostle Suleiman. He said, school children were kidnapped. No federal press conference addressed it. People are killed daily. No word of stern threat to the bandits. A tweet was deleted and you had a press conference define joblessness. Yeah, define joblessness. We have so many insecurity in our country, you know. Recently, people are dying in Imo State, my own state. People are dying unnecessarily. The herdsmen are carrying gun. The cows are walking freely. They are more important in the country than we citizens. Eh? Look at the fuel price, no electricity. Come to this country. Come to this country, Mozambique, South Africa. Free light. You have to choose if you will have light or not. You walk on good roads. Here in Africa, I'm just telling you, here in Africa, in Mozambique especially, you have good roads. It is your right. You have your own light every time. When you have a problem, you can go to police station and make a statement. You will not pay any fine. The police will do their job. But no, in my country, police will, even if somebody is dying, you have to pay for them to come there. Even if somebody is dying, you have to pay. So I think Apostle Suleiman made a point here. School children that has been taken away from their parents every single time, where it has been silent, traveling from one country to the other, France, come back, America, you know, he's just traveling, traveler. No only him get leg, nah? Making the travel. So guys, recently, Mayoku tweeted, enjoy your youth, but save for retirement. Your bad character will give you out eventually. Family can F you up. Friends are the worst. For those of you who trust your friends, get sense for Lagos. You got something to say it. Don't hold it in. Not me though. I leave. Know your lane before trailer use you do driving tests. People wey dey okay for my country, no many like that if you want it, you work for it. There is a higher chance to get it by work than by luck. Don't indulge or tolerate whatever you don't like. On first instance, that's the first door to see finish and disrespect. Yeah, I think anything we like, we should accept it the first time. Or maybe you have a friend, the friend behaves somehow you don't like, you should just tell him, yeah, no, I don't like this, so that he will pick correction. Because if you don't tell them, they will just feel you know, relaxed, and they will thinking like, yeah, I can do it next time and get away with it. Sleep with one eye closed. So you have to sleep with one eye closed. That means don't trust anybody. Don't trust anybody. Don't say, yeah, because he's my friend, no, I have to trust him. For example, okay, you are in the bar, you just want to go out to pee, you leave your bottle open, you know, Because yeah, they are my friend. I know them. They are my childhood friend. No, nobody's thinking good about you. Nobody, no single person is thinking good about you. Everybody wants your downfall. I'm telling you. Everybody wants your downfall. So here is this post by Mr. Macaroni. He said, anytime I go out and see Nigerians getting harassed by men in uniform, I stop my car, get down and stand in solidarity. Please let us develop the attitude of standing for one another. The government has failed us. We are all we have. So Humble Delta Service tweeted, boss, everyone loves this and I think it touches me the way it touches you. But you can't be touched compared to us. One almost gone on my presence while harassing our driver. He shouted at me, and I refused to back down. I stylishly entered boss when he's boiling, bro. Not easy. So Mr. Macaroni responded, I have been touched, bro, physically, mentally, psychologically, and in every other way you can imagine. But here I am still standing. I would rather die fighting than live in fear of people that ought to protect us. Yeah, I love that. If we can look out for everyone, the better for all of us. Yeah, I think that is true. But no, in Nigeria, it's not like that. Once you make money and you buy a car, your problem is over. No, it is over. You are now the president of yourself. Yeah, you are president of yourself. You can even splash water. Who is he? Me, get down. If I see policeman beating, no, they will say, do you know me? No, 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 no. I cannot do that. I cannot do that. You know, we like hanging hands. So Mr. Macaroni said he has the heart. He can stop no matter what and talk to them. They are human beings. Is it because they are in uniform? Is it because they are in uniform? Here in Mozambique, if you are a junior officer, you don't have access to a gun. Yeah, you don't have access to a gun. You must get to a certain level with a professional degree before you can handle a gun. Since I've been in this country, I have not had a gunshot. They said, oh, it's by the police or accidental discharge. Because they kill for Nigeria, they kill. They are killing every time. They're killing innocent people like that. Accidental discharge.